Hi everyone, welcome back to Cadd, an ISO certified 9001 to 2015 institution and Asia. In today's video, I will be showing you how to calculate the difference between two dates. So let's get started. In this data set, I have start date, end date, completed years, completed month and completed days. This kind of calculation we can use dated if we will go through how to work it. First select the cell where you want the result to appear. Then equals dated if open parenthesis. Begin with the start date, insert comma and finish with the end date. Then again insert comma, open quotation, then Y, which stands for years, close quotation, close bracket and then enter. And this is the exact numbers of completed year. Click on the bottom corner and drag it down. And here we have the number of years calculate. Then next come to completed months. So let's move on and see how many months and days passed between the two dates. And we will use the same function. Small change we need to make the formula. Equals dated if open bracket, then select start date, insert comma, then end date, insert comma, open quotation. Instead of Y, here we need to add M. Then close quotation, close parenthesis and then hit enter. Click on the bottom corner and drag it down. And this is the easiest and quicker way to calculate the accurate number of months passed between two days. Then completed days equals dated if open parenthesis, select start date, insert comma, end date, insert comma and finish with the formula by using D. Close quotation, close parenthesis and then give enter. Click on the bottom corner and drag it down. The number of completed days is as easy to figure out as the number of completed months of year, and this is the way to calculate difference between date, working with any time and where you want. I hope you people like this video. If else, like and subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.